What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Frankie Collective Studio or workshop, whatever you want to call it. It's the end of the day. Most everyone's gone home. So what do we do here? We make rework clothing. All kinds of different stuff. Shorts. We mainly use tees, sweats. What else we got I can show you here? Skirts. Help me help you. North Face, shirt, all kinds of stuff. I want to buy your Nike product. I will buy any Nike branded t-shirts and sweatshirts, okay? Check it out. So if you're at the bins, if you're at the thrift, I know you're passing this stuff up. Look at it. Printed tag. You're not buying this stuff. This stuff has no real resale value, but it does to us because we rework it, okay? I will buy all the Nike branded product you can sell me, okay? We need as much as we can get. Anything like this, small swoosh stuff, embroidered swoosh. We'll also buy Adidas, but we mainly need Nike. Here, look, check it. Small swoosh, embroidered swoosh, anything. We want it. Doesn't matter how old or how new it is, we buy it all. I can handle shipping. I'll literally send a pickup to your house to pick up the boxes. I want bundles. Pay good prices. So that's it. Help me help you. Sell me your Nike, okay? Anything Nike. Even this like athletic wear we buy, okay? So that's it. Hit me up. Hit me on Instagram. Hit me, however, I'll put my email link down below. Sell me your Nike. I want bundles. I'll send a pickup to your house, pick up boxes, make some money.